Most people underestimate commercial door hardware. They think that it's just another spec on a project, but it's not. Because choosing the wrong commercial door hardware isn't just about the increased cost. It can delay the entire project, leading to inspection failures and create long-term performance issues that don't show up until much later. And the biggest mistake usually isn't product quality. It's selecting hardware without fully understanding the application into which it's going.
And that's where things start to fall apart fast. When hardware doesn't match the application, you see it immediately. Doors start failing inspections, closers stop controlling the swing, and locks begin failing under normal traffic. And then suddenly, the project is on hold, waiting for commercial replacement parts for your doors or frames just to get things functional again. A lot of the time, it traces back to improper commercial door and hardware installation, where the system was never correctly aligned from the start.
And what makes that worse is people asking the wrong questions entirely. They ask, what's the best hardware? But that's not how commercial systems work. The real question is, what hardware actually fits the application? Because something like hollow metal door hardware has completely different demands, weight, traffic load, durability, compared to something like commercial glass door hardware, where precision fit and structural alignment matter far more. Those are not interchangeable decisions.
Once you understand that, you realize it's not about the individual parts at all. It's a system. Door closers, for example, aren't just about closing a door. They control safety, energy efficiency, and long-term performance. Lever sets and deadbolts have to match both function and grade depending on whether you're dealing with schools, offices, or healthcare environments. And hinges carry the entire load of the system, so if it's wrong, everything else suffers. That's why commercial doors and hardware have to be selected as a complete system, not individual components.
And even when the system is selected correctly, installation becomes the next critical part. Because improper commercial door hardware installation can undo even the best hardware choices. And beyond installation, you also have to think long-term: maintenance, repairs, and compliance. That includes commercial door replacement parts for ongoing serviceability, weatherization solutions for energy efficiency, and exit devices for life safety requirements. And if any of those pieces are mismatched, the system eventually fails under real-world uses.
And that's a takeaway here. Most of these failures are completely preventable. Whether you're specifying commercial doors and hardware, selecting hollow metal door hardware, or working with commercial glass door hardware, success always comes down to one thing: matching the hardware to the application, not guessing. That's exactly what the CDF Pro Builder tool is designed to do. It helps align function, traffic level, material type, and code requirements before anything ships. So instead of reacting to problems later, you're preventing them up front. Because in this industry, you can't afford mistakes. You build it right from the start.